Hey everyone, so I know that you are just coming off the test week, so you're probably really tired, but life goes on in an accounting program, and this is the prep that you need to do for our contact session on Tuesday for Unit 2, Subunit 3, the time and value rules associated with that. Okay, so the first thing you'll be doing is you will be working through 14.1 and 14.2 in your study guide, which is on page 58 and 59. That's just an overview and the core concepts. Very important, of course, is the learning outcome, so make sure you know exactly what is expected of you in terms of this work. Then if you go to 14.3, study material, what you need to be doing is you need to have open your study guide together with the following paragraphs in chapter 2 of the SABA, and then read through them at least. Right, so once you've done that, in other words, you've read through 14.1 and 14.2, you've gone through 14.3.2, my next suggestion is that you do a draft summary that you can use during our contact session to identify content that you don't understand or need some clarification on. You can decide why and how you want to use that summary. It's just a good idea to start putting it down, because immediately it forces your brain to start making the connections between what it is that you read and what it is that we'll be looking at in class. So if I had to make a summary prior to class about value and time and special rules relating to output VAT, at a minimum what I'll put down is the headings. In other words, if you go to 2.13, you're going to be dealing with output VAT. So there is my output VAT. And when I look at output VAT, what I read through was non-supplies, and there was no apportionment. And maybe as I read through no apportionment, there's something that, oh, I'm not sure what this is. I need to make sure to ask Lizelle. And at a minimum, that is what I would like you to do, to make sure that you are ready for, of course, test 2, but not just test 2, also for the rest of the year. And once you've done that, that means you've ticked off all the prep that I want you to do for Unit 2, Subunit 3, and I will see you on Tuesday.